If you are a new coach, I can almost guarantee you are making one massive mistake right now. You are charging by the hour. You are looking at what other coaches in your niche charge. Maybe it is $100 an hour, maybe it is 150, and you are pricing yourself right in the middle because you don't want to seem greedy, but you also don't want to seem cheap. Stop charging by the hour. When you charge by the hour, you are punishing yourself for being efficient, and you are training your clients to value your time instead of valuing the transformation you provide. Today, I'm going to give you the exact mathematical formula to price your coaching program. We are going to transition you from selling $150 an hour sessions to selling a $3,000 high ticket package. And more importantly, I'm going to show you how to do it without feeling like an imposter. But before we break down the math, I want to give you the tools to actually collect that $3,000. If you want the exact invoicing system, the sales pipelines, and the calendar automations I use to run my high ticket coaching business, click the link in the description below. That link gives you an exclusive 30-day free trial of Go High Level. And when you use it, my team at Coachcraft Academy will automatically include our coaching snapshot to get you started. You get all of our pre-built funnels, plus access to our weekly live support sessions hosted by an ICF certified coach to help you set it all up. Click the link below, get your systems in place, and let's talk about how to price your worth. The first thing we have to fix is your mindset. The reason you feel like an imposter when you think about charging $3,000 or $5,000 for your coaching is because you are calculating the value based on the hours you spend on Zoom. If you charge $3,000 for a 12-week program and you meet with the client for 1 hour a week, your brain does the math. Am I really worth $250 an hour? But your client is not paying for 12 hours of your time. They do not want your time. In fact, if you could give them the exact same result in 2 hours instead of 12, they would gladly pay you more money, not less. Your clients are paying for the transformation. They are paying to lose the weight, to save their marriage, to launch their business, or to overcome their anxiety. You have to detach your pricing from the clock and attach it to the outcome. Think about a surgeon. If a surgeon performs a life-saving operation in 30 minutes, you don't ask for a discount because it was fast. You pay for the years of expertise that allowed them to do it quickly and safely. As a coach, you are doing the exact same thing. You are bringing your life experience, your frameworks, and your insights to solve a problem the client cannot solve on their own. So how do we actually calculate the price? I use something called the 10% rule. To use the 10% rule, you have to ask yourself one question. What is the financial, emotional, or physical cost to the client if they do not solve this problem? Let's use a business coach as an example because the math is easy. If you help a client launch a business that will generate $50,000 in its first year, the value of your transformation is $50,000. According to the 10% rule, you should charge 10% of the value you are creating. So 10% of $50,000 is $5,000. If you charge $5,000, your client is getting a 10x return on their investment. That is an absolute no-brainer for them, and it is a highly profitable, sustainable price point for you. But what if you are a life coach, a relationship coach, or a health coach? How do you put a dollar amount on saving a marriage or losing 30 pounds? You have to look at the alternative costs. What is the cost of a divorce? Lawyers, moving, splitting assets. It is easily $20,000 to $50,000. What is the cost of chronic health issues? Medical bills, lost wages, and a lower quality of life. When you realize that the problem you are solving is costing your client tens of thousands of dollars, either in actual cash or in emotional suffering, charging $3,000 for a 12-week program suddenly feels like the bargain of the century. You stop feeling like an imposter and you start feeling like a lifesaver. Now, here is the catch. You can have the best pricing strategy in the world, but if your business looks amateur, nobody is going to hand you a credit card for $3,000. If you are sending them a messy PayPal link, scheduling calls through endless back and forth emails, and forgetting to send them their onboarding materials, you destroy the premium perception of your brand. High ticket prices require high ticket experiences. That is why the systems behind your coaching business matter just as much as the coaching itself. When you use the link in the description to start your 30-day free trial of Go High Level, we give you the exact high-ticket infrastructure you need. Our Coachcraft Academy snapshot includes pre-built, professional checkout pages, automated onboarding sequences, and a seamless calendar system. You look like a premium brand from day one. Plus, if you need help setting up your Stripe integration to actually collect those $3,000 payments, our ICF certified coaches will walk you through it on our weekly live support calls. Click the link below to grab that 30-day free trial. Now let's talk about how to actually package your offer so it justifies that premium price. You have the mindset and you have the math. Now you need the package. When you charge high ticket prices, you cannot just sell 12 weeks of coaching. That sounds like a commodity. You have to sell a proprietary system. At Coachcraft Academy, we teach our members to build what we call a signature method. Instead of saying, we will meet on Zoom for an hour a week and talk about your goals, you say, I am going to take you through my 3-phase transformation system. Phase 1 is clarity and audit. Phase 2 is strategy and implementation. Phase 3 is optimization and scaling. Suddenly, you aren't just a coach renting out your time. You are an expert guiding them through a proven framework. To justify a $3,000 or $5,000 price tag, your package should include 3 things. Number 1, one-on-one access to you, usually a weekly or bi-weekly Zoom call. Number 2, asynchronous support, like Voxer, WhatsApp, or email access between calls so they never feel stuck. Number 3, done-for-you resources, workbooks, templates, or video modules that accelerate their progress. When you combine live coaching, daily support, and tangible resources into one proprietary system, the value becomes undeniable. The client isn't calculating your hourly rate anymore. They are looking at a comprehensive solution to their biggest problem. Pricing your coaching program is one of the scariest things you will do when you launch your business. But remember, you are not charging for your time. You are charging for the transformation. Use the 10% rule, build a signature method, and deliver a premium experience. And if you want to make sure that premium experience is flawless from the very first click, you need the right software. Click the link in the description right now to start your 30-day free trial of Go High Level. The moment you sign up, we will automatically send you the Coachcraft Academy Coaching Snapshot. You will get the exact checkout pages, pipelines, and automations you need to run a high-ticket coaching business. And you will get immediate access to our weekly live support sessions with an ICF certified coach to make sure your tech is running perfectly. Click the link below to get your systems in place. If this video helped you rethink your pricing, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what you are currently charging for your coaching program. I am John Marshall. Know your worth, charge for the transformation, and I will see you in the next video.